Ciao Tesla people. Today I'm going back to Florence, 400 kilometers road trip, mostly highway. Temperature wise it's 30 degrees Celsius, but it feels less than that, probably below 0 Celsius. So let's reset the trips. Let's reset it, and that's it. So we'll see how it goes this time with the cold weather. Fully loaded car, trunk and frunk full, 4 people. I'm planning only one stop in Magliano, Sabina. I recharged last night at home, 7 kilowatts or something like that. So I'm at 94%. So it should be fine to get to Magliano, Sabina. Hopefully there is no traffic. Today is Sunday and it's the weekend before the New Year's Eve, so probably it's going to be some traffic. Anyway, oh, by the way, beautiful bluebird day. If I was staying here, I would most likely go in snowboarding, but unfortunately I can't. So we'll see. I'll see you. I'll do a time lapse of the road, and I'll see you in Magliano, Sabina. So I'm at the Supercharger in Magliano, Sabina, charging, and unfortunately the old Supercharger is full, and I'm charging at the 150 kilowatts charger, but the charger is still charging at 140 kilowatts, and beside me there is a car. So, or he stopped, or maybe it's this other guy on my right side, which actually is not charging. So someone is not charging, and I'm charging 139, which is pretty good. Let me check here. Okay, which is pretty good. I thought I was going to be here forever. Hopefully I'm not. I wanted to charge as much as I can so that I can have some charge in Florence. Okay, so I'll see you in a bit when I'm done charging. So this is the situation here. All the Tesla stalls are occupied. I think the last one is not, so that's why I'm charging fast. That's good. Pretty cool. There's a 3 Model 3, a Model Y, and here there's a Model Y, 2 Model Y, 3, a Model X, no, Model Y, Model Y, Model X. Pretty cool. So the weather is much better. Actually fantastic. The temperature too is pretty cool. Everything goes well. Unfortunately, I had to do a detour 15 kilometers from here because there was a 11 kilometers traffic jam. And then before that, we had to stop like 15 minutes on a highway. And because there was an accident, and I was the first in line. That was good. And there was the police in front of us. They stopped the traffic. So that's somebody moved from a 250 stall. Let me check the charge. Let me see if maybe I want to move. I don't know. I'm going to check the charge and see if I have to move. Okay, so I'll see you in a bit. So I'm at the Supercharger in Arezzo, charging 94 kilowatts, and that's because I'm at 56%. And the reason I stopped is because the highway is basically a traffic jam. Average speed is 20 kilometers an hour. So I decided to stop, make a break, maybe go to the restroom, getting a cappuccino or something to eat, and wait, maybe some people leave the highway and something. We'll see. Anyway, everything is good, but it's another nightmare of a drive today, a road trip today. Like last time, everybody on the road, and it's just crazy. I got out one exit before this one, and I did the normal road because it was faster, and the navigator suggested this. Anyway, let me go to get a cappuccino, and I'll see you in a bit. So I don't think you can see me, but I just got home. 8 hours road trip. Usually it takes me 4 hours and a half. A nightmare. And let's see the trip. No, faccio io, il resto lo porto io. So the road trip is 417 kilometers, 85 kilowatt hour, 203 watt hour per kilometer. And so I didn't do more kilometers than what I thought. But the highway was a nightmare. Basically a traffic jam for, I don't know, 200 kilometers. Crazy. Anyway, please check out my Tesla referral in the description, and also please subscribe to the channel, will help me a lot. Put a like, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.